Only a lime leaves the bathroom smelling for 7 days. Enough with the yellowish and stinky toilet. You will surely be surprised by the result of this tip today. The secret of this tip is the line. First, I will cut into small pieces. The acidity contained in the lime will facilitate daily cleaning, and even without having to scrub the toilet bowl. It will help only when flushing after use. It's very simple. I'm only wearing a disposable mask. We all have one of these at home these days. For that, I will need scissors, and I will cut one side of the disposable mask, thus separating the two parts. I will use it as a support. It is very simple. After doing this, we just need to put the mask on the toilet bowl. We just need to add the lime inside the disposable mask and close the part that we cut. And for that, I will use the very part that was left by always using. You will see that in addition to removing all the yellowish from the toilet, we'll avoid getting any kind of stain. I never let the toilet even turn yellow whenever I use it. Cleaning is very practical, and I always keep it clean until it looks like new, and that easily before I use many conventional cleaning products, such as disinfectants and even liquid soaps, and now only with one ingredient. I keep my base always clean. I avoided even the cost with products every week. Leave at least 30 minutes for the acidity of the lime to act in contact with the water, and it will be ready for use. It is simple, and without much effort when using the toilet daily will not have any more dirt. I hope this tip will be useful for you on a daily basis, remembering that we should change the lime at least once a week since it will lose effectiveness with time. So that's it, everyone. Try this at home, and I'm sure you will be impressed by the result. Thank you for watching this video so far. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. See you in the next video. Bye.